Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I will be showing you a recipe that is originally a Punjabi popular dish made by roasting marinated chicken in a tandoor or oven, that is Tandoori Chicken. But I will be showing you how to make delicious tandoori chicken without a tandoor or oven and will still be as tasty as the tandoori chicken available in the restaurant with its smoky flavor and roasted charred look. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. To prepare the marination for a tandoori chicken, we will be requiring curd, half cup. I have taken hung curd. Haldi powder, half teaspoon. Chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Garam masala, half teaspoon. Kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon. Chaat masala, 1 teaspoon. Coriander powder, 1 tablespoon. Pepper powder, 1 teaspoon. And cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. We shall add ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. Mustard oil, 2 tablespoons. I have heated it to smoking point and cooled it. This will give it a very nice flavor. Salt, 3/4 teaspoon or as per taste. We shall add juice of half a lime. Give it a nice mix. We shall add a few drops of orange color, edible color. I have taken 2 thigh pieces of chicken and I have made slits in them. Now we shall cover it with clean wrap and place it in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours to marinate. If you desire, you can keep it in the fridge overnight. Now that the chicken is marinated and ready, let's start the process of pan grilling our tandoori chicken. Pour in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Put in half a teaspoon of butter. Now we shall place our chicken in the pan. Allow it to cook for 3 minutes and then we shall turn it over and cook the other side for 3 minutes till it is nice and brown. Now we shall flip it over and allow it to cook on the other side. Flip it over again. Place the lid, lower the flame and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes so that it is thoroughly cooked. Till the chicken cooks, we shall place a piece of coal. Let it ignite till it is fully nice and red. Now, I shall show you all the trick how to create a smoky flavor for a tandoori chicken like we get when we cook it in a tandoor. I will turn off the gas Place a small steel bowl inside. Put the coal into it and drop a little bit of butter on it. And I will allow it to remain covered for a minute and a half so that the flavor of the smoke gets right into the chicken. Wow, what a lovely aroma. We shall remove the charcoal, and now I have placed a small grill rack on the stove. Keep it on low. I will brush a little butter. Now I shall place the chicken on the grill to give it that little burnt grilled look like we get from the tandoor. So friends, our delicious tandoori chicken is ready. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again with my next recipe. Till then, bye bye.